Hey everybody, Rob D'Alessio, Taste of Retirement. Today what we're doing is a smash burger. Everybody's grilled a burger outside before, but we twisted it up, Taste of Retirement style. Come on, I'll show you how we did it. All right, a smash burger. Everybody's cooked a burger outside on the grill before, be it charcoal or gas or whatever it is. Not many people cook them in a cast iron skillet and smash them down. What that's gonna allow is some really nice color and caramel on the outside of the burger and give a really good bite while locking in those juices. So what we've got here is about 8 ounces of 80/20 ground chuck. We prefer to use ground chuck because it just adds more flavor. We also prefer to use 80/20, which is 80% lean, 20% fat, because fat does equal flavor. And if you get more lean than that, it's just gonna be a dry burger. Got a couple Spanish onion rings. We've got salt and pepper, and then of course in Taste of Retirement style, we've got a Chipotle mayo, a Habanero mustard, and then some ketchup, because you're gonna do ketchup, mustard, and mayo, but we gotta kick it up a notch. Brioche is my favorite bun. We'll toast this. It's got some added sugar to it, so it's a little bit sweet, but absolutely delicious. Now, what we're gonna do here is normally you would patty out the burger beforehand, but we're gonna smash this thing down. We've got the pan going. You can see a little bit of smoke coming up. But we need to season the meat, because where I come from, the meat doesn't come seasoned. And sometimes you need to season a little more liberally, because remember, we're gonna mix it up. And then I've got some Worcestershire. A little goes a long way with that though, so be careful. All right, and then just get in there, mix it up as well as you can. Try to get the inside out if you would. Pan's going nice and hot. All right, and then what we do is we get a ball. That's a big ball, right? That's a big, I'm Italian, right? That's a big meatball. But anyway, put that right in the pan. Best sound ever right there. And then what we're gonna do is take another plate and just smash that baby down. I put something on it just for extra weight. And then we'll let it go a couple minutes, we'll flip it, and then we'll be done. All right, while that's searing, we're gonna have some other things going on. We've got the habanero mustard, the chipotle mayonnaise, the ketchup, and then secret ingredient, some dill pickle. Everybody gets pickles on their burgers, right? I just like the brininess of the pickle. So we're gonna cut that up. And I like a fine dice. You don't want it to be too chunky, but you definitely still wanna make sure that you're still tasting it. So we'll put that in there. And then what we'll do is we'll mix all of that up. Now, while the pan's still getting some good color on the other side of that burger, I'm gonna do a couple different things. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these onions in the side of the pan. I don't really care if they cook all the way or not. I just kinda want them in there, right? Just get more of that extra flavor. And then over in the other pan, I've got another pan over here that we've got on medium heat. We're gonna get some butter in there, and all we're gonna do is toast the buns. A toasted bun is the secret. If you cook burgers at home, which I'm sure you do, everybody does, and you don't toast your bun, you're absolutely missing out, I promise you. So we're gonna let that butter melt, and then we'll toast the buns, and then we'll flip the burger and go. All right, so it's got the crust on it now. You can obviously see the smoke coming in front of my face. Problem is you don't get to smell what I get to smell. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and flip it over. Don't worry if it leaves that mark on the burger. It's gonna be on the bun anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Now, when you're flipping this burger, you're gonna wanna go careful and kind of scrape the bottom of the pan, because it's got all that beautiful crunchy goodness, right? You don't wanna leave it in the pan, you wanna leave it on the patty. And all of that just looks absolutely delicious. We don't need to put the bowl back on top now, we just need color, right? So at this point, just leave it on there just for a little bit longer. We've got the butter melting over here, and then we've got the buns going in. It'll be just a minute or so. All right, the burger's cooked through. It's got unbelievable color, a little bit of char on the outside, which will add extra flavor to it. Onions have cooked down a little bit. We've toasted off the brioche buns, so now we're gonna put some sauce on there. And be liberal with it, man. You wanna taste this sauce. Let it speak for itself a little bit. Again, try to scrape off all that goodness onto the bottom. And I don't know about you, but I like my burger to be bigger than my bun. I don't know if you're used to doing that, but that's how we do it at the D'Alessio household. So, throw it down there. Now it's time to see the magic. Looks absolutely fantastic, cooked exactly as I like. And there you have it, the smashburger. Of course we twisted it up. We always do. If you like what you saw today, click the link, like and subscribe. You'll see amazing content just like this. I'm Rob D'Alessio, and this was A Taste of Retirement.